Alright guys, today, here's what we're doing. We're pulling the 500 gig SSD that this computer came with out, and we're going to replace it with a 1 terabyte. Last I checked, these are on sale on Amazon for like 140 bucks. Really can't beat it. So, with that said, let's get started. This model is a Dell Precision 5530. That might be a little blown out for you, but so we're going to use a Torx number 4 tip and a Phillips 0 size. Okay, once you've done your perimeter Torx fasteners, remove that bit, put the Phillips on there, and you've got 2 Phillips screws in here. One and 2. Okay. Alright guys, one more thing. Before attempting this, make sure you've backed up all your personal data from your current hard drive. You backed that up to a separate drive, and you're ready to remove this one. If you have a card reader, you can go ahead and format this in advance, or you can format this one after you install it and boot up your favorite OS and then format from the install process. But just make sure you back up all your data first. Now if this back cover gives you any trouble, get yourself a piece of plastic. You can use a cell phone tool, or you can get onto the edge here and just kind of work it around, and it'll pop right off. Set that aside. Alright, what are we looking for here? We are looking for our SSD. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. You guys get a little better view of it. This is it right there. Alright, so to remove the SSD, there's 1 Phillips screw. It just kind of provides tension and grounding. Remove that carefully. And you see how the card popped up like that? We're just going to gently wiggle that out. This is a 500 gig. And we're going to take our 1 terabyte. We're going to put it just, wiggle it gently in the same slot. Hear that click? Now it's got a kind of a springboard to it, which is exactly how it's supposed to be. Get your Phillips screw ready. Push down gently. Put your fastener back in. Don't over torque the fastener, just a little bit. This isn't going anywhere. Okay? SSD's in. Now we can reassemble the computer. So in order to reassemble, just reverse the order in which you took the screws out. Switch to your T4. Alright, boys and girls, there we go. So now you've got your drive in there. You can install your operating system of choice, format it, and yeah, you're off to the races. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.